Hi everyone! Welcome back to A Creatively Crafted Life. This is Melanie, and today we're doing another What Can You Do with an SCT Sampler Kit. And this is actually going to be a collaboration with Toni from Polka Dot Mailbox. I will leave a link to her video below, so be sure to check that out. And also, when you do, please leave a comment on her video letting her know that you came over from me, just so she knows how you found her. As we are both subscribers to the SCT Sampler Kit, we thought it would be a great idea to work on these and share our projects with our viewers. So without further ado, let me show you first what I received. These are sampler kits, meaning every kit is not exactly the same. There can be some variations because they do take a full package and split it. Same with the paper, you get a quarter of a 12 by 12 sheet of paper. Usually you get some sort of embellishments, and often you get a tool of some kind. So let me pull this out, sort it by collection, and I will be back to show you what I got. What's quite common with these kits is to receive some sort of acrylic piece in the theme of the kit. So in this case it is family. Mine actually did break, it snapped off, so I'm just in the process of re-gluing that back together again. Unfortunately, that kind of thing does happen when stuff goes through the mail. Not very often, but every now and then it does. I also received these stickers. They're like a wood veneer sticker. They're very cute, very appropriate for Christmas. These are from Close to My Heart. Normally you get a sampling from two collections. We've got some from Storyteller by Vicki Boutin and Late Afternoon by Amy Tangerine. So let's start with Vicki's collection first. I'm going to use the back of the packaging so you can see a little bit better. So I got that ruler, I got this butterfly sticker, a library card, a little ticket, and a banner that says a picture is worth 1,000 words. I also received these stickers with the words on them and a 4x6 card. Let me show you the papers. We had a floral. On the back side is this very distressed watercolored dot. And then one with the birds and vines, and then it is like a starburst on this teal. There is a purpley wine color geometric print, and this side has that quatrefoil design or mosaic. Very pretty. There's that same geometric pattern again, and then on this side are some leaves. And there is a blue with another tile pattern. This reminds me of Morocco. Same with the other one, very Moroccan inspired. And then this one has like a loose geometric chevron pattern almost, and then some words. So we've got some blues, yellows, pinks, greens, very autumnal feel. Let's move on to Amy Tangerine's collection. We've got some washi tape. It looks like it has numbers up to 31, so representing, I would think, a calendar month. We also received these stamps, and they look fairly usable for the most part. This would be from Late Afternoon. I received these border stickers. I'm assuming these are from Amy's collection. Very similar colors to the other one. You've got that wine red, you've got a pink, yellow, green. The tones might be off just a little bit. I did get some puffy stickers, the flowers and leaves, as well as some foam stickers. You can see where it was cut off. So this is probably a 6 by 12 sheet. And I got this little pocket that says smile, and then this pops in and out. That's really cute. Hard to use on a scrapbook page if you put in a page protector, especially if your intent is to pull this out, but could look really cute on a card. We got one 3 by 4 card that's all by itself, and then papers. This has some 3 by 3 cards. The other side is a scallop We've got some leaves. The other side is a grid. Cameras. You can never complain about cameras when you're a scrapbooker. And the other side is, it's almost a wood grain, like a plank. And then we've got some flowers with the plaid. There's the flowers that are in the puffy stickers. And then that light turquoise color. And then the blue leaf pattern, and then a stripe. So that is what I have to work with this month. Let me see what I can put together. Okay, I finished playing with the kit and this is what I have left. These are all scraps that are going in the recycle bin. I created a bunch of banners that are going to end up in my die cut binder. I also punched out a couple other shapes from leftover bits that will go in my die cut binder. I have a bunch of these cameras. I am going to fussy cut them, and once those are done, those will also go in my die cut binder. I just haven't had time to do that. This is a really great thing I do when I want to craft, but I don't really want to think. I will fussy cut the stuff out. And then I've got a bunch of hearts that I've punched out. I use hearts a lot on layouts, and I have a bin of just random heart punch outs or stickers or whatever in there, and that's where those will go. As far as the embellishments and stuff go, I did not touch the stamp set, but that will go into my inventory. I used a couple of the stickers off of the word sticker sheet. I have 3 ephemera pieces left. These will also go in my die cut binders. I have these border strip stickers, which will also go in my die cut sticker binder. And I have these 3 words, which will end up in the same place as these. So cleanup should be pretty quick and easy. Now, what did I end up making? So out of this month's kit, I ended up making 2 12 by 12 layouts. I did bring in some other products from my stash, as I normally do, to complete. But I did bring in this wood grain paper, of course, the background, which is a craft colored cardstock, and then these Jelly Bean Soup alphas. And what else did I bring in? I think that was pretty much it, other than the twine. This was a scrapbook generation sketch. It was the October 2018 free sketch, if you're interested. The other layout I did was this one here, and I brought in this pink cardstock as well as the craft. Everything else was from the kit. I took the 4x6 cut apart card, cut it apart, and used it in a different configuration. And I brought in some punches to make some more embellishments. As for cards, I made 1 card in its entirety, which is this one here. The brown cardstock is from my stash, and the rest of the items on here were from the kit. I thought this sentiment would be a good sentiment to send to someone maybe who is struggling with some things and having a hard time letting things go. And maybe this would be appropriate. Might be a little bit of a stretch. What do you think? Let me know below. And then I created what I call card bases. So I have 5 card bases here. They are basically ready to go. They just need a focal point and a sentiment, or in some cases just a sentiment. I don't feel like bringing out my stamps right now. I'm in Christmas mode, not in fall mode or birthday mode or any other kind of card mode. So these are just going to go in a bin that I keep all my base cards in, and every now and then I will go through them and quickly whip up a batch of cards. So all of these, of course, are for leftover papers from the kit. And with the exception of this one, I took this black cardstock from my stash and added that. I thought this one would look really great with, I have some medallion stamps that maybe I could trim out and use as a focal point. Very basic designs, but I think will be very easy to convert. Like for instance, this one, I would probably just add a sentiment and call it done, maybe a couple sequins or something. So that is it for the November kit. I hope you are inspired. If you want more inspiration, be sure to check out Toni's video. I'm leaving a link to her video for the November kit below in the description box. Be sure to head over there and let her know that I sent you her way. Thanks again, everyone, and until next time, happy crafting.